Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use TradingView for options trading. First, navigate to the TradingView platform and ensure you have a premium subscription for real-time options data. Then, locate the search bar at the top of the interface to begin finding your desired underlying asset. This initial step is crucial for setting up your workspace and accessing the necessary tools for effective options analysis. You'll find that TradingView provides a comprehensive environment for your trading needs. Once you've selected your underlying asset, it's time to set up your chart. Click the Options button, often found near the chart or in the Products dropdown, to view the options chain. Choose your desired expiration date and strike price. Next, add technical indicators such as moving averages or Bollinger Bands to your chart. Adjust the time frame, perhaps to a 15-minute or 1-hour chart, to align with your trading strategy. Use drawing tools to mark support and resistance levels. Now, let's analyze the options data. The options chain displays strike prices, expiration dates, and premiums. Pay close attention to implied volatility, which reflects market expectations for future price movements. Higher implied volatility suggests greater expected price swings. Also, examine volume and open interest for each contract to gauge market sentiment and liquidity. Compare different call and put options to identify contracts that best fit your risk-reward profile, aiming for a ratio of at least 1:3. Finally, execute and manage your trades. Based on your analysis, identify clear entry and exit points. Always set a stop-loss order to limit potential losses, perhaps risking 1% of your trading capital per trade. TradingView allows you to place orders directly from the chart if you have a connected brokerage. Track your open positions using the portfolio management tools and regularly review your trade performance. This helps refine your strategy and improve future decision-making.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.